Hi there, my name's Andy, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to buy WeGro using MetaMask and Binance. In the description, I've linked to a few different versions of the Trust Wallet, as well as a more in-depth video on how to buy WeGro. You can also find links to every site that I mentioned there. Step 1. Create your MetaMask. Download and set up the MetaMask Chrome extension. Before you do anything else, click MetaMask in the top menu. Then add network. Pause the video and type this exact text. Then click Save and make sure to select Binance Smart Chain. Step 2. Buy BNB and withdraw. Open a Binance account and buy some BNB. Open your Binance wallet, then find BNB and click Withdraw. Copy and paste your MetaMask wallet address and make sure to select BSC under Network. Click Max, then Submit. Step 3. Swap BNB for WeGro on Pancake Swap. Go to Pancake Swap, connect your wallet, click Trade. Go to WeGroCoin.com and copy the address. Paste it here and import the token. Hit the setting icon and set your slippage to 8 to 10%. Type the amount of BNB you wish to exchange and hit swap. Confirm the swap and click Add WeGro to MetaMask. Click Add Token. Now you can check that the transaction is complete. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you're still in doubt, feel free to check out the longer form video tutorial linked in the description. Thanks for watching.